Continuing on my Health Kick series, we're making some of your favorite foods, but we're substituting and making them a lot healthier. Today we're making a grilled Cajun chicken sandwich, but instead of using regular buns to pair with our grilled Cajun chicken sandwich, we're gonna use Bannann. Some people might say green plantain, Tostones, and we're gonna pair that also with a cilantro garlic yogurt sauce to make it a little bit healthier. Let's chop it up. So I've already chopped up our Bannann or Tostones or green plantain, and I soaked it in water and salt for about an hour, then pat dried it. So we're on our health kick, right? So we're not gonna deep fry it like we traditionally do. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then you wanna turn your oven on to 400 degrees. But if you have a crisp setting, that's what you wanna put it on. You're gonna cook these for about 3 minutes, then you'll take them out, mash them, spray them down one more time, and then put them back in the oven, and they'll be done. So now we're about to season our chicken breast for our Cajun chicken sandwich. Ideally, after you season it, you want to put it back in the fridge, let it marinate for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna hit this with some Cajun seasoning, black pepper, salt, pepper, and garlic. Some garlic powder. And some smoked paprika. That Cajunness about it. So we're gonna season this up. You wanna make sure you massage that chicken and get that seasoning in all the crevices. And obviously, for cross-contamination, you wanna throw your gloves away to avoid cross-contamination. Let's cook our Cajun chicken. So we're gonna throw a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in this pan. And a little bit of butter. Go down with our chicken. As the chicken cooks, we're gonna make our healthy yogurt, cilantro, garlic sauce to pair with our Cajun chicken sandwich. So we have some fresh cilantro right here. I'm gonna chop that up. Put that in there. A little truffle salt, and then my special blend. We're gonna mix this all together. That's how your sauce should look. So I just pulled a Bannann or Tostones out of the oven. And if you don't have a plantain smasher, you just get you some parchment paper. And I have my smasher that I use for burgers. Just want to press down and bam. Fold, press. Fold. And press. It's a good workout as well. Spray them down one more time. And back in the oven they go for another about 3 to 4 minutes. So the chicken's been cooking on one side for about 5 minutes, almost 6. Let's go ahead and flip this bad boy. Ooh, woo. Look at that nice crust. Oh my goodness. Juicy, tender. Another 5 or 6 minutes, this chicken will be done. So now the chicken breast has cooked about 5 minutes on each side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer it to this pan. Ooh, it's tender to fall apart. I just wanna finish it in the oven, right? I'm gonna put it on low temperature in the oven and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now we got all this remnants and greatness in this pan. We can't let it go to waste, right? So we have some bell peppers and onions. We're gonna throw in there that we can get that flavor in there as well. The Cajun chicken. Give it a little spray. Saute these up real quick. We're gonna top this on our sandwich as well. While that cooks, we're gonna cut into our avocado. Now that the peppers and onions are done, I'm gonna transfer those to a little bowl. Now that the bun is done, we pulled it out the oven. Gotta hit it with some sea salt. Hit it with some sea salt. Gonna move our chicken, put it on our cutting board. Cut it, since this is a thick piece of chicken, we're gonna cut it in half. Ooh, tenderism, look how juicy that is. In fact, let's get a close-up of that right there. Oh my goodness. Now that everything's done, it's time to plate it. So you take a piece of Bannann right here, and that's our way of saying green plantain. It down. Hit it with some of that cilantro, garlic, yogurt sauce. Put that on there like so. Our chicken breast. Put it down like so. So we've sliced some fresh provolone that we're gonna throw on. We got our mini torch here. We're just gonna hit it with the torch to melt it down some. What you could do is put this back in the oven after you put the chicken on there, just to get the cheese to melt a little bit. But don't put it in there too long, because you don't want to overcook your chicken. A couple pieces of our avocado. This with a little bit of onions and pepper. And because we're on a health kick, you gotta throw some microgreens on there. Make it look pretty. Top it. Man, look at that. Now that we've plated it, you know we have to try it. Let's get in here. Yes, Lord.